Welcome back to my channel Common Sense Explore. Today I am going to explain you the next part of this chapter, clock, that is time angle equivalent. What does it mean actually? That means, for example, suppose I am asking you that any particular time, what is the angle between hour hand and a minute hand? Any particular time, any arbitrary time you can take. For examples, I have taken 5:20. Let's say this is the 5:20. Okay, so the timing you can see over here at 5:20 how much angle they are making between these two hour hand and minute hand, means how much angle. This is the question mark. Okay, so that means any time will be given to you and how to calculate the angles between the two hands. In 1 minute, minute hand completed 6 degree. Okay, in 1 minute, minute hand completed 6 degree. In the first video I explained already. And hour hand in 1 minute it is completed half degree only. That means in minute hand in 1 minute it will completed 6 degree and hour hand completed half degree, right? Timing is 5:20. For example, I have taken these examples. So 5:20 means you can see the hour hand is in between 5 and 6. Okay, not exactly at 5. Why not exactly at 5? Because at exactly 5 o'clock it will be at 5, but whenever already 20 minutes passed, that means it will be shifted little bit, right? Always measurements should be start from 12 o'clock because 12 is the reference time. So I am drawing over here, always your reference time would be 12 o'clock. Let's say this is the reference line. Now with respect to reference line, how much angles they are making, hour hand and minute hand, you have to calculate. So that means minute hands only completed 20 minutes from 12 o'clock, right? This minute hand only completed 20 minutes. This is 20 minutes. This angle you have to calculate, right? Another is 5 hour 20 minutes, means the hour hand from 12 o'clock to this angle. Okay, so that means how to calculate this small angle. Small angle is nothing but this large angle minus this angle. Okay, just subtract them, you will get the answer. So here you can see at 5:20 how many minutes you have come. It has completed 20 minutes only. Okay, so minute hand completed only 20 minutes. So minute hand is equivalent to 20 minutes. In 1 minute, minute hands completed 6 degree. For 20 minutes, how much degree? So angle equals to 20 into 6. That means 120 degree, right? 120 degree. So minute hands completed 120 degree. That means from 12. Always counting should start from 12 because 12 is the reference point, right? So this angle is 120 degree. This angle is 120 degree. Hour hand completed total 5 hours. 5 hours already completed at 5 o'clock. Now another 20 minutes also completed. So hour hand completed 5 hours and 20 minutes. Try to understand this one. Minute hand only completed 20 minutes from 12 o'clock. Okay, but hour hand completed 5 hours as well as 20 minutes from 12 o'clock. Okay, 5 hours means 5 into 60 minute. 5 into 60 minute plus this 20 minute. Okay, 5 into 60 is 300 plus 20, that is 320 minute. Hour hand in 1 minute half degree angle. So 320 minute how much angle? So angle equals to 320 minute multiplied with half degree. So it is coming 160 degree. Which one is 160 here? From 12 to this large angle. This large angle is 160. What is the smaller one? The large minus this 120. So that means 160 minus 120 is this angle between the two hands, right? So the angle between the two hands I am writing. So angle between two hands 160 minus 120, that is equals to 40 degree angle. Okay, so that means the angle between this hand and this hand makes 40 degree. So this is how you have to solve. So here you can see the second examples at 3:40. What is the angle between hour hand and the minute hand? Okay, that means the angle between this, right? So how to calculate this angle between this? First of all, you need to know that at 3:40 means the hour hand will be in between 3 and 4, and 40 means the minute hand will be exactly towards 8, right? So because 5 into 8 is 40. Now you have to calculate all the angles with respect to 12 o'clock. As I told you, 12 is the reference time. So 12 is the reference time. So that means 12 o'clock, how much shifted, how much minutes shifted. So from 12 to 8, how much minute already shifted by minute hand, you have to calculate this angle. And from 12 to this, how much minute it has been shifted. If you subtract, then you will get this answer, right? For minute hand from 12 o'clock to 8 o'clock, how much minute completed? It is 40 minute completed, right? So for minute hand, how much minute? 40 minute already completed at 3:40. So for minute hand, 40 minutes already completed. So 1 minute means for minute hand it is 6 degree. So for 40 minutes, how much angle? 6 into 40. So 6 into 40, 240 degree. So this is 240 degree for minute hand. So that means from 12 o'clock to 8, this whole angle is 240 degree, right? Next is for hour hand. Hour hand, how much time already completed? Already 3 hours to completed at 3 o'clock, but another 40 minutes also completed. So hour hand completed total 3 hours and 40 minutes. So just these things you have to keep it in your mind. Minute hand only 40 minutes completed, but hour hand completed 3 hours as well as 40 minutes extra, right? So 3 hours means how much minute? 3 into 60 minute plus this 40, that is 220 minute completed by hour hand at 3:40, right? Now in 1 minute hour hand completed half degree. So that means in 220 minute, how much degree? So angle equals to nothing but multiply 220 multiplied with half. It is coming 110 degree, 110 degree. Okay, so that means this small angle is 110 degree and this large angle is 240 degree. So what is this angle? The red color, that is nothing but the subtraction of these two angles. Angle between hour hand and minute hand, the larger one is 240 minus the smaller one is 110 degree, 130 degree. Okay, so this is how only you have to solve. Very easy, just you have to follow the process and you can able to calculate any kind of angle between the two hands in any time, any arbitrary time you can calculate. Okay, so this is how you have to solve. So that's all for today. Thank you.